Hey guys, Nick here with Fab Make Build Cook. I made a direct heat barbecue pit and that's what this video is going to be about. Check it out. Alright, now this pit was directly influenced by Bradley Robinson down at Chud's Barbecue in Austin, Texas. He's got a great YouTube channel. I watch every single video that he puts out. He's hilarious. He's a very good cook. And plus he makes smokers and barbecue pits. So I'll put links in the description below so you guys can check out his channel. Hopefully subscribe. And if you need a pit, I think if you're only in the Texas area, you can definitely email him and get one on order. I think he's backed up quite a bit. So it should tell you a little something about the quality that he makes and just the efficiency of these smokers / cookers. So yeah, we're gonna get into there and check it out. And I just wanted to give credit where credit's due. And just like that. Go. Yeah, see, so I got a little bit of dross in. There This is the front. Picture you grilling on this thing. There's a rack, there's a rack, there's a rack. That's 5 easy racks of ribs with some pork steaks behind it. It's quite a bit of surface area. This is gonna work great. I'm trying to get this piece at the bottom to go out. You can probably see the little shiny line that's down where this pane meets the bottom. And I'm trying to kick this out just a little bit so I can tack it in place, and I'm using a car hood prop. We'll see. I think once that silver line goes away, we should be good, but I think that may have been gold. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. couple of quick tacks. We'll put the other one down here. We'll see how this guy opens. Alright, I got both hinges tacked on there. Let's see how this thing opens. Oh yeah. I think that's going to work just fine. It's actually kind of nice working out here when it's a little on the chilly side. You see my breath? Because normally I'm in here sweating balls, but this is actually kind of nice. Just bundle up a little bit. All your air is pretty fresh. I still need to do a ventilation system in here though, because after grinding and plasma cutting and even welding, it just gets pretty sooty, but that'll be a future video to come. Super happy with the way that these turned out. They're nice and easy. That's about a 2 3/4 inch gap here, and they're about 6 inches long each. So I think that's plenty of air. And alley-oop. So again, this is 2 feet deep and 36 inches across, so 3 foot by 2 foot. It up. It can sit right there. That's nice. Sweet. That's significantly better. Alright, there it is. Just doing the initial burn and cook. Got the dampers all open. Running about 275, 300. You can see the flame in there flickering around. Let's check out our fire. Got a bed of coals there and a little bit of hickory logs. Good to go. First cook, I already pulled off some steaks. But now I got some Johnsonville cheddar wursts and some chicken thighs. So, yeah, so far so good. Pretty happy with it. This is what I was seasoning the cooker with. Just some Pam olive oil, spray can. Cooked to perfection. Johnsonville cheddar wursts. And I know you're thinking like, oh, who gives a shit? You're cooking up some cheddar wursts. It's not like it's rocket surgery. Those things are always good. Well, my beer tends to disagree with you. Also made this pretty sweet Minnesota coal rake. I bought this Minnesota emblem at Coremark Metals here in Minneapolis. And then this rod, or two rods, that I TIG welded together. Yep, they're Hobbin and ball valve handles. Got them from work, no big deal, but perfect. Stainless steel. TIG this thing up, and it's perfect for reaching in and raking some coals back or forward or stirring them around. Plus, why the hell not? Little Minnesota action. Pretty baller. All right, just putting her away after the first night of cooking. Very satisfied with how well it cooked. I've got this thing absolutely saturated with olive oil right now, so it looks all shiny and nice. Hoping to keep it that way. Look at that reflection. Hell yeah. It's been cooking for at least 4 hours, if not 5. Still rocking a solid 230. You can see the coals still cracking. I just opened up all the vents, both the chimney stacks and the air intake vents. It's good. That handle looks a little crooked, but I think it's just an optical illusion, or it's bad workmanship. Either way, appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like this stuff, feel free to like and subscribe. Again, this is Nick with Fab, Make, Build, Cook. See you guys in the next one.